Y'all, this is Todd with the $20 Budget Prepper. Here we are, week number 12. We're at my local Walmart. I think this week I'm gonna do like snack type items, something that's got some high protein, something that's got a little shelf life on it, you know, nuts, Slim Jims, things like that. So let's go see what we can find. Hey y'all, this is Todd, $20 Budget Prepper. We're back from Walmart, and I have to say I was quite disappointed. Spent over an hour trying to find, looking for snack type things. This is about all I could find with halfway decent expiration dates. They all were like by this year, end of this year. We got these cashew and dried onion, or excuse me, dried almonds. That expiration date is March of 23. We had the fruit snacks, April of 23. The peanuts, that actually says October of 23. So at least that's a year out. And our pudding snack packs is May of 23. So quite disappointed. We ended up spending $16.31. I guess I'll just tack that on to the next week's haul. I don't know. I just can't figure out these expiration dates. I know some of my subscribers had commented that Walmart is closing 152 or 153 stores, but they were shipping inventory to all the other stores. So this may be true, but I could not find, like I was looking for like Slim Jims, anything like that. They just weren't even past October, November, December this year. So let me know down in the comments if you're seeing the same things on the expiration dates. I'd like to know, make sure I'm just not the only crazy one out here that can't find anything that's going to last, because you know my motto is I've got to have stuff in my prepper pantry that's at least 12 months out. I've gone against my own rule, but if I hadn't have, I wouldn't have gotten anything this week. So anyway, I appreciate y'all checking out. Let me know if you're finding the same things with the expiration dates not being at least 12 months out, where you're going to find them, where expiration dates are halfway decent. I know the Dollar General, when I've checked into it, they're about the same way. Dollar Tree's pretty good. So I'll probably go to Dollar Tree next week, because at least I know for their price I can get 14 items for the $1.25. So anyway, thank you all for watching. God bless. Have a great day. I'm out.